microphone. I've got lots of texture.
Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Sarian, and I wanted to create a Valentine's Day look, and this is what I got. It's cute, it's colorful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials. Let's get to the tutorial. I spent the last 2 whole goddamn days doing this background, and it's not even that cute. I was like, oh, it's gonna be so cute. I'm gonna be all Valentine's Day-y and have this cute ass background that nobody has. And in my mind, it was really cute, but here it's like, what happened, Bailey? So I gave up on my background because I haven't uploaded a video in a while, and I was like, I should probably do that. I just get so caught up in my DIY moments that I lose track of time, and I'm like, it's gonna be so bomb. Anyways, okay, today I'm using the Touche Eclat Radiance Awakening Foundation. This is by YSL. This is old, it's probably expired. Expires 9/17. Okay, so I'm gonna use that. I can't have nice things. I was spending so much time on my background, I didn't even think about what kind of look I was gonna do today. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour Concealer. I have number C2. This is $7 and it's definitely worth it. It's just like Tarte Shape Tape and $7. So I bought like 2 because I got so much money. I was like, I'll take 2. I haven't filmed in a while, and don't be mad. I'm a genie in a bottle. Okay, so I just got a face peel 2 days ago, and if you follow me on Twitter, I uploaded a picture of my before and after skin because it's been like a process. I went through really bad acne. Anyways, I got a face peel 2 days ago to what I was originally talking about. My face is literally peeling because that's what happens when you get a face peel. So technically, I'm not even supposed to be wearing makeup because my face is just gonna peel and like flake and nothing's gonna look good. So I'm just letting you guys know. See that peeling? Like, that's the truth. I'm not supposed to be wearing makeup. I got some crusts on my face that I can't do anything about. Probably wondering, why am I even wearing makeup? Doing it for the YouTube. Trying to push it into the skin, maybe it'll go away. If you hear a helicopter outside, that's because it's circling. Someone's in trouble. I'm just priming my eyes. If you see pink around my eyes, that's because I tried to do this pink look that I had in mind, and it just went south, okay? It went south. Okay, so I have the Sephora Pro editorial palette in my hands. This one. I'm just gonna do something simple on my eyes because I tried to do something complex and that shit was a mess, and now I'm just irritated. So I just winged it out. I'm just taking a little bit of my foundation. Okay, in this palette, there is this peachy shade. I'm gonna take some of that. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of the orange. Just mix the two. Let's put this right in here. Looks creepy. Okay, let's do the purple. I'm connecting it outwards, like so. And I'm being pretty messy, but that's because I could just grab my brush, a little bit of my foundation, clean it up. I'm gonna go back to that like orange coral shade right down here. I'm using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent, putting this underneath my eyes. I probably should have done this before. No, because I cleaned up. Whatever. For eyebrows, I'm using Wander Beauty Frame Your Face Micro Pencil Dark Brown. So I'm just going to fill in my upper brow. Right up here, see? Boom. Coming down. Same over here. Taking a spoolie and brushing it upwards. Kevin Aquan. This is the sculpting powder. Now this is from the Contour Book Volume 2, but he sells, or the brand sells, the sculpting powder by itself. Like, you don't have to buy this whole thing. The book. I'm gonna come right here. You see. Boom shakalaka. Just my face is just not into it today. Dust off the loose powder. I'm putting on a pair of eyelashes. Well, first I put on mascara and then I put on a pair of eyelashes. I don't film this normally because I'm just doing this the whole time. I'm just looking straight down at my mirror and I just don't find it very interesting to film. These lashes are by Huda Beauty. Wait, I want my moment. I'm a real beauty guru, look. But these are called Samantha number 7. I just ate an orange, so I lost another streamer while you were away, just in case you were wondering where one went. Blush Crush by Lottie London. It's in the shade Hairy. Just a little dabaroo. When I press the record button, it doesn't record. MAC lip liner in Heroin. This is just going to be a tutorial of me doing things off camera and then coming back to camera and telling you what I did. This is the Kaylin lipstick. Now it's a really pretty color, but the bottom fell off with the number. I will figure it out, I'm sure. The thing is, it can really make your teeth look yellow. It brings out the yellow in your teeth for sure. So you just gotta like smile like this. I need a new chair. It's definitely killing my vibe, whatever my vibe is right now. Do we like it? Do we love it? Do we want to recreate it? Okay, first of all, I don't use filters on my videos. So if you see a lot of texture, that's because I'm textured.
Microphone. I've got lots of texture.
Yeah, so this tutorial did not go according to plan, and that's okay because life doesn't go according to plan. And I hope that you like this tutorial anyways. Let me know what you think down below. I think it's just cute. It's easy. Like, I did this very easily, and I have faith that you can do it very easily as well if you want to. I understand it's a lot of color. It's not for everybody, and that's okay too. It's just makeup. It washes off. I hope that you have a great day today. You make good choices, and next time, things are gonna go smoother. I'm putting that out into the universe. Have a good day, make good choices, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.